It's another Thursday, another Supreme week. Honestly, I felt a little bit of Salt Bae instant regret juice on my neck this morning, but we'll cross that bridge when we get there. If y'all end up enjoying this one, leave a like on it, subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Let me know if y'all ended up copping Supreme or did you sleep this week? Like, kinda I should've. Hey, we'll talk about that in a little bit, bro. Let's get to it. So mind you, at 11, I'm at work, bro. So I'm waiting for the shit to drop, pulled over to the side type beat, and it's dropping like a little bit late, you feel me? It took like 30 to 40 seconds to load up, but once it did, I went straight to that IRAK tee, the little graffiti looking one, the ARK tee. Then I went to the booty joint, you feel me? I'm trying to see what colors they got for the booty. I left there, I'm like, nah, that's not for me, bro. At the end of the day, I found this light olive cast tee, fire, added that shit to cart immediately, no problems with that one. Then with this ARK tee, I'm like going back and forth trying to even see if I really want this. I ended up adding it to the cart, bro. Y'all know me. At this point, I'm like, bro, should I even cop this shit? I'm putting my information in regardless. I got sucked into the pressure of Supreme this morning and I ended up processing my payment. It was like $108, but we do get tax back in New Jersey. Ended up copping these two tees. I'm excited to see them in hand. Honestly, if I don't love one of these two, I might do a giveaway on them. Don't know just yet, but we gonna have to see. I kind of do like that light olive color simply because it does have the black Supreme graffiti on the back. I feel like that shit is hard. More so want to see how these fit and look in person. So make sure y'all stay tuned because I'm gonna probably do a review on these. Fuck around, might give one of these. I don't even know, bro. Honestly, I'm gonna do a giveaway for y'all real soon. Kind of trying to decide what I'm gonna give back, but that's pretty much all I went for this morning. I honestly forgot about the Catwoman beanie. I probably would have picked up one of the tees and the beanie, but that shit just flew over my head this morning, bro. All that was in my shit was fall tees, and it's low-key a blessing and a curse. I got the tees I kind of wanted, but I completely missed out on the beanie. It's kind of an L. Let me know if y'all ended up going for the beanie or the tees this week. This week was slightly mid, you feel me? Hit or miss for a lot of people. I was not about to make this video right here for y'all because I probably wasn't even gonna get shit, but I end up hitting on Supreme again. Leave a like on this one, subscribe to the channel. I hope y'all had a great day, and with all that being said, I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. Peace, stay up, and I'm out.